to Travel Around Suzy. Today we're going to go on a little trip. I love saving money, especially when it's on items that I use in my van and I know they get abused because it's a tornado rolling down the road. And with even more of the price hikes that we are seeing, I really love that I know about these things, and I want to share these tips with you. I've already put in my channel that I shop at the Dollar Tree a lot for a lot of items. But even the Dollar Tree has risen their prices on a lot of their normal products. Come along with me as I show you how in Dollar General sometimes the prices are cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Today we are going to go look for a curtain rod because this one is bent. This one is from when I moved out of my old house. So it has been in this van for 4 years or 3 years. I think it's 4 years now. So it is bending because of this, and it's very thin. So we're going to get a new one. And then I need some groceries for the house. This house. So come along with me, and I hope that you can find something beneficial to save more money. So now you're going to ask me, why was I looking at this stuff? What is the purpose? I mean, most people use this for a drawer liner. And I don't have drawers in my van. So what do I use this for? Lots of reasons. One, I have a small desk set up. I have a little keyboard. This thing was sliding all over, and plus, it's just plastic. So, I glued this to the back. Well, I glued this to the back so it doesn't come off. And now it doesn't slide on my desk. Because I have a small desk set up, I also need to think outside the box. So here's my temporary desk setup. These. So I have this. I have this here. And then I need a mouse pad because this mouse doesn't work here. And I don't want to scratch the table. This is a hot pad. This one is a different color because this is an older project and this is all I have left. Hints to why I bought the new roll. But I glued that. Look at. This is my normal hot pad. I bought both of these for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. One is my normal hot pad. Slippy. Also too, a lot of RVers will use this for little things that they put in their sink or on their countertops. So that way they don't scratch their countertops or their sinks, or when they're driving, it doesn't move. Especially like if they have a utensil tray that they set on the countertop, it doesn't move. I think this is a great RV, van, camper trailer hack that a lot of people have talked about. Now you'll notice that I am doing a voiceover just because there was music playing in this store. But just look at all these products and yes, some of these products are not a great value for long-term use, but if you're in a pinch, these options are available if you're just getting started and you don't know what items you really want to stick with, or if you just want to try out a thing. Spending $1 versus spending $6 or $7, like these bags, they're not the high quality, but if there's something that you're just going to use randomly here and there, $5 is a good price. Maybe you end up not liking the bag. $5 isn't too much to lose. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to look at this Dollar Tree video.